In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can view your COD points and also how you can buy more Call of Duty points here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. It really is pretty simple, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this does work the exact same, whether you're on console or PC, but whenever you're on the multiplayer or zombie screen, you're going to see a few different tabs up at the top. Go ahead and navigate over to the store tab, which is right next to this career tab over here. Here you're going to see your bundles that are currently available. Like right now, there's really only the Vault Edition upgrade and the Tracer pack. But in the future, there's going to be new items in here as well, and they'll show up in this section. To view your COD points, just look up in the top right corner. As you can see, I currently have 2K. Essentially, to go to the COD points menu, go ahead and select it, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this, which will show you not only your current balance, but also options to purchase more COD points if you choose to do so. You can buy small packs, you can get larger ones. Usually the bigger bundles do give you better value. For example, buying 13,000 COD points is a lot cheaper than buying multiple small packs separately. But choose whatever pack you want, select it, and complete the purchase through your platform store. But that's really all there is to it. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.